Here's an update printed out. Tension tool holders. They're also magnets. You can space them out. It's pretty good. And then I printed the little pin holder that you just saw in the rest of the video. So again, you can, all this is magnets. So the files are going to be posted on my Thingiverse for anyone who's interested in using them. So again, oh, slammed it too hard there. But yeah, you get the idea. Pretty cool. Alright. This is day 5 of learning how to lockpick. ABUS 7240. These are the cheapest ones on Amazon, so I ordered 3 of them. Hey. Alright. Got that. Let's try to depin it. Never done this before. 3D printed thing here. So I gotta put the key in here. Oh, that's cool. I've never done this before. I guess you don't want it lined up there. This is going there. Like that, right? So probably want it like that. Pulled all this out in case I was able to do this. Stabbing myself. There we go. Now I stabbed myself. Classic. Those are sharp. Alright. I saw this might work like this. AAA battery. I lost something. This is the first one. Okay, now I see it. Had it upside down. To do this. Does it break this? All right. So after quite a while of trying to figure this out, I ended up cutting the second key to then try to be able to pick and turn the missing pin there. So now let's try this again. This time without, god damn it. Well, screwed that up. Ah, they're on the bottom. Okay, now I'm learning. I'm totally screwing this up. Oh well. Sure, I'll figure it out how to redo this eventually, the right way. But now that I've bent all of my freaking tweezers as well, can't even pick all this crap up. Alright. What a shit show. There. Are all these springs the same size or are they different? Kind of look like they're the same size. missing a spring? Yeah, alright, so there's 6 springs. Yep, so that's a mess. I will have to figure out how to reassemble this. So, I'm sure that's going to take a while. But just for completeness, let's see if I can pull this out now. Alright, that's what I did to the key. So there's the original key. So I cut this. You can kind of see, because there was that last pin that fell out. So I cut the last spot to then try to wedge it in there all the way in the right spot for the rest of the pins, and then took the tweezers and poked it in and turned it frantically while clamping it in there. So now I guess I'll figure out how this all goes back together, because I have no fucking clue. Well, after all that trouble, I started to rearrange the things back in order, and I shot one of the springs across the room. And yeah, playing find the spring sniper on a carpet floor. That, yeah, it's never gonna happen. So, but I wonder if you can just put it back together without the spring. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, finally got it back together. Very annoying, very tedious, but no, all back together. So this took what time is it? 3 o'clock. This probably took 3 hours, I would say, from initial videos trying to pick it, going through all the rest of the crap, to then this now. There we go, magic. Maybe one day I'll find the spring on the ground somewhere, and then I'll put it all back together. Hope you enjoyed watching what not to do, especially dropping everything and stopping halfway. I definitely learned a lot. It's very frustrating, very tedious. So next time if I do another one of these, I'll at least know what to do if I mess up again, which I probably will. Oh well.